Hello, friends. We are starting our organized self employment ministry 57th session, and this session is devoted to the 31st August to 11th September contribution of truth only drums. As our ritual is there, we are in Shardapur, Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, that is me, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, India. Mobile number 639736017. Truth only drums book. Room number 126. In room number 126, we are all from room number 126, and those who are understanding organized self-employment ministry and budget belongs to 6 unborn family. Room number 1, Shiv Puran, that is welfare power, that is 12 shadow mandir document and 175 crore shadow Shiv Shakti Mandir, Trishul and Vermilion mark. As we are all belonging from that family, Pushpanjali Aarti, Sanskrit mantra enchanting. Room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran. The Chakra and Vermilion mark. We are belonging to this family also. Room number 3, Brahma Saraswati, that is ISBN Puran, that is Kamandal and Vermilion mark, that is law education, Vishnu Lakshmi life money, Shiv Parvati welfare power, and Brahma Saraswati law education, 12 Sanatan Dharma ISBN book, and 12 Jyotir book of the Hindus, materialistic, Bharat Ratna, Padam Shri and Nobel Prize winner who have been living in India, and 175 crore ISBN shadow ISBN certificate starting from truth only terms, that is my book ISBN 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03, in which I form Labour Party of India organized self-employment ministry and budget and self-employment government job system. 31st August 2001, and in 6 unborn family 16 February 2002. So Pushpanjali Aarti and Sanskrit slogan in favor of the mantra enchanting. Room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Sabse Devi Bhavo, Trinetra, and the Vermilion mark. And the Vermilion mark and the 12 shadow mandir of Adi Shakti Jagdamba document and 175 crore shadow mandir of Adi Shakti Jagdamba document. Pushpanjali Aarti Sanskrit mantra enchanting in favor of that. We are the sons and daughters of that. Room number 5, Hindu Varskrit, the truth saviors, and Mithila Varshkrit, North, South, East with Central India Varshkrit, 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas, and 4 Vedas ISBN certificate, Pushpanjali Arti, Sanskrit slogan, chanting in favor of that. Then room number 6, the 31st August 1946 British Government Act of Independence for India, making of 15 interim government members and then 299 constitutional members who made our constitution 2690, and then onwards the representative shadow documents. With that 6 unborn family, we have to believe 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, Kailas Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vaikunth Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti that Satya Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Hindu Varshkrit Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Government Rashtrapati Bhavan of Hindus. Then signaturing it on 26 January 1950, so that we remain under the control of our guardian parliament, democratic parliament, and 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs into 6. On the national level 750 into 6, and on the state level 4,500 into 6, because 6 unborn families, 6 room, 1 Kailas Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, 2nd Vaikunth Dham or Ksheer Sagar Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, 3rd Satyalok Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, 4th Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, 5th the Hindu Varshkrit Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, and 6th the Hindu Government Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, and signaturing it. Now one uniform principle which I have formed on 31st August 2001 in individual form and in 6 unborn family, whose mandir I am always trying to speak 1175 crore and 12 Jyotir Mandir. Shadow document I have recommended 72 shadowed mandir documents, and then we will move on that path so that the uniform path can be made. Right of pension, fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. Preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. 4 slab pension 18, 32, 46, 58 year for self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. And 3 budget system. Annual budget 108 ministry we have from 1860, which is very good. Railway budget 100 ministry we have from 1860, which is very good. And we have to make organized 6 organized self-employment ministry and budget with this 6 unborn mandir document, because we are the sons and daughters, our forefathers all over India in 1175 crore have mandir. This automatically 12 Jyotir Mandir of all 6 unborn we will take, and we will signature, and automatically uniform system will develop. We all political party president, I am Labour Party of India president, and all political party president, if they are signing, automatically a uniform system will start. This Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism, which I am trying to propagate, is giving self-employment government job system by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. What work we are doing in truth and non-violence in 6 unborn Hindu society, it is being validated, and on that 1 rupees 1 paise, whatever amount we uniformly discuss, as I have put the fiscal credit table to make the format in organized manner for the infinite population, because what is there in unorganized setup, we are not able to regularize the income is coming, but what is there, regularization is not there. I have tried to regularize, because my main focus is employment. That my base thinking is that if at 18 years when one is getting the photo election identity card and the election power of choosing the MP and MLA. At the same time, he is also getting the offer of employment from the organized self-employment ministry, that what work he is doing or she is doing, it is being validated. Now senior is there in the organized self-employment ministry and he will look after him. This 57th session is devoted to the 31st August to 11th September. And in this model, I am trying to propagate. The Trishul and vermilion mark signifies the Shiv, Parvati and welfare power. The Chakra and vermilion mark is signifying the Vishnu Lakshmi, the Ram Sita, the Krishna Radha, the Amita Vilasha. The Kamandal and vermilion mark signifies the Brahma Saraswati, the Chaturanand Veena Pustak Dharani, the law education, the ISBN HEC certificate. The Trinetra vermilion mark signifies the Durga and non-veto husband Shiva family. And the book vermilion mark signifies the Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit and North, South, East, West, Central India Varshkrit. We all Hindus, 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas, 4 Vedas, ISBN certificate with truth only terms, which is teaching us 6 unborn Hindu family which are living in scattered form in all over India, around 1175 crore mandir. I have taken the ISBN certificate as Brahma Saraswati Mandir and ISBN Varshkrit certificate as also Mandir, because one Varshkrit taking ISBN certificate, it is equal to truth non-violence. And government stamp signifies the Hindu who are following this, and in this way I have tried to make the employment structure between 0 to 18 if required and 18 to 58 for one and all. And after that, by the signature secretary, we are checking it and then surrendering our constitutional validity on income, that on this fiscal credit which has been uniformly decided by all political party members, we are giving to the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha. On that basis, 6 unborn family, and automatically the Republican president and the governor under the supervision of Prime Minister, under the advice of Prime Minister and Chief Minister, is transferring us in this 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan. And I have tried to put the court martial connection for the each Rashtrapati Bhavan, so that the identity of the document, when we are putting in Trishul and vermilion mark Shiv Parvati Mandir, the document of the Shiv Parvati Mandir with 12 Jyotir Mandir as front runner carrying the flag, and Chakra and vermilion mark the Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amita Vilasha Mandir, Chaturbhuj Lakshmi Live Money Mandir, and the document 12 Jyotir Mandir we are putting in front. Then Kamandal and vermilion marks the 12 Sanatan Dharma Jyotir ISBN certificate and 12 materialistic ISBN certificate of Bharat Ratna and Padam Shri and the Hindu Nobel Prize who have won document, and Trinetra and vermilion marks signifying the Hindu woman Durga Sapsiti and Devi, and the mandirs Hindu, the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir, 12 Jyotir Mandir, and then 175 crore Mandir. All I have recommended in truth only. Then Varshkrit and vermilion mark signifies the ISBN certificate, Mithila Varshkrit, and North, South, East, West Varshkrit, 100 Upanishad ISBN certificate, 4 Vedas ISBN certificate, and 18 Puranas. And similarly, government stamp vermilion mark signifies the Constitution of India, 31st August 1946 British government document of Independence Act, and then on that basis I have tried to make the system in that way so that no one faces the problem and understand each and everyone. So in this way I have tried to make the system to make the more comfort in the way. So now the control automatically when we are signaturing and giving to the parliament and Vidhan Sabha, our chief minister and prime minister is transferring us in 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan: Kailash Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vaikunth Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Satyadham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Varshkrit Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Government Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan. And uniformly we are getting 4 slab pension, 1832 46 year, and per month fiscal credit salary. On what? We uniformly, all political party with Labour Party of India signaturing and administering. We have annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and we want organize self-employment ministry, which is self-employment government job. Automatically regular income will be coming, because regular income is the one of the important point which I have tried to make you understand, because this regular income system is the system which is giving us the confidence that we are the self-employment government job. And automatically when we are understanding, we are putting on our soldier this badge, like Trishul Vermilion mark signifies the sons and daughter as of Shiv Parvati, Chakra Vermilion mark sons and daughter of Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amita Vilasa, that is Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran. Kamandal Vermilion mark signifies as the ISBN certificate with truth only terms. Trinetra Vermilion mark signifies the Adi Shakti Jagadamba, the Hindu woman who have been efforting. Therefore I have tried to put 12 Jyotir materialistic book of Hindu women, and then 175 crore ISBN certificate of Hindu women who have been with modern times have been moving the civilization. And like this I have tried to make you understand. Now in the 31st August to 11th September in the session, first day we are allotting to the Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power. Second day we are allotting to the Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amita Vilasa. Third day we are allotting to the Brahma Saraswati ISBN. Fourth day we are allotting to the Adi Shakti Jagadamba, because she is living in mother form, grandmother form, sister form, wife form, many forms she is living. Then each United Varshkrit God on the 5th day, and 6th day for the Hindu government. Automatically 6 form is there, and on that 7th day first generation of these 6 unborn. Then 7th day for the second generation. First generation is Ganesh, Skand, Kartikeya, Hanuman ji. Second generation is for the Shubh Labh, means 7th day. Then 8th day for the Shuddh Mehnat Prayas, Safalta, Prasiddhi. And 9th and 10th day is amalgamation of the all generation, that is Amireshwar Jhawad and Amit Jhawad, and that is 31st August 1946, understanding storyism. And after that this 6 unborn 4 generation ideal, we are emerging in the Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri sea, wherever we are understanding, because 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan is teaching us. One is devoted politician. From 31st August 1885 when we started our modernity, and we are up till here, Second, devoted industrialist. Third, devoted educationist, devoted editor, Hindu, devoted Hindu scientist, devoted Hindu lawyers, devoted Hindu educationist, Hindu scientist. Fourth, devoted Hindu woman, devoted to the Hindu development. Fifth, devoted truth and non-violence. And sixth, devoted Hindu government. From the 26 January 1950, regular election has been done. And I am trying to make we all understand that from the each house, each Rashtrapati one, all the sons are earning by self. Here also the same thing is being done. Sons and daughters. That by the educational certificate capital value, we are becoming human capital. Because suppose 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, whatever capital is given on the educational certificate, it is given to all. Of course, in this 6 signature are taken. For one fiscal credit salary, 6 signature. Because one signature is for we are sons of Shiva Parvati welfare power. One signature is of we are sons of Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Amita Vilasa. One signature for we are sons of Brahma Saraswati Lord Education. One signature for Adi Shakti Jagdamba and non-widow husband Shiva. That is family and non-widow husband. That is one signature for the Hindu Varshkrit. That is each united Varshkrit governor Surya Chandrama Navagrah Dhanati Kuber Dasod Dikpal and many Gram Devta, all each united Varshkrit god and goddess. And 6 signature for Hindu government. So automatically signature and 120 crore. So I am trying to put it in the socialist pattern. 20 crore Aadhaar card in front of Trishul Vermilion Band, 20 crore Aadhaar card in front of Chakra Vermilion mark, 20 crore Aadhaar card in front of Kamandal Vermilion mark with Aadhaar card, passport, photo election ID card and PAN card. And fourth, Trinetra Vermilion mark, that is 20 crore Aadhaar card. And then Varshkrit Vermilion mark means 20 crore Aadhaar card, and then Hindu government, then 20 crore Aadhaar card means 20 into 6, 120 crore. And then we are signatory 6 Rashtrapati into 1, 26 January 1950, and Governor House automatically control is transferred to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister and to the opposition leaders. And per month when we are taking fiscal credit salary, suppose 1 rupees, whatever is finalizing, because I have tried to put fiscal credit, this is the fiscal credit table in my hand, which I am trying to universalize so that we can become self-employed government servant and we make a employment equilibrium, 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner, so that in administration it will be immediately understood that in one order 30,000 per month above earner is out from the fray and 30,000 per month below sitting, so that we can keep the proportion of 70 and 30, so that our organized democratic move in a smooth manner and we are becoming self-employed government job servant by the blessing of Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadambadam, each united god and goddess Dam and government Dam, which I am trying to propagate through the Labour Party of India, fist of the hand, truth only trumps. And automatically, as I have told you, to organize worship we will do in this, to regularize, to keep ourselves regularized, updated. 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to 11 September. Same process as I have told you, 31st August to 11 September, same process between the 26 February to 11 September, same process, 6 Murti, 6 ideal we will make, and we will worship our political validity, our industrial validity, our educationalists, Hindu scientists, Hindu lawyers, Hindu editors validity, Hindu women validity, Hindu truth and non-violence validity, and Hindu government validity. Automatically 16.66 into 6 part, and in this way we will try to make, and we will make a chamber as all are becoming self-employed government servants. So we are making the chamber. The chamber is of the illiterate people, that is illiterate, and signature known chambers, 5th plus chambers, 10th plus chambers, 12 pass chambers, graduation pass chambers, post graduation pass chambers, PhD, MPhil pass chamber, delayed pass chambers, and MPhil pass chambers, and continuous it will be, and automatically promotion will be given for 4 years as we are joining. Means at 18 years when we are taking the photo election ID card, automatically we are joining fiscal credit table, and whatever fixation of salary is being made, because when we will continue this session, automatically we will be getting fiscal credit salary and we will try to increase. And this economy is signature documented 6 unborn family Hindu economy of 120 crore. Automatically it will be done because minorities have no problem. Automatically it will be done because understanding is required. Understanding automatically will make it easy. There will be no problem in that. Main understanding is from our side. When we are understanding this, automatically everyone will stand, because singularly easily it can be understood, but on the unbound level in 6 unbound form it is difficult. So I am trying to make it from 31st August 1946, from where the starting is coming up, and automatically at that time if we would have started signature and one pass giving on the self-employment, it would not have become greater problem, because we would have been doing our work and that validity had been our work, and automatically we were busy. But at that time what was the ideal outlook was there. In 26 January 1950 ideal outlook was there, but now ideal outlook is there, which is seen on the 6 unbound, but individually we are getting per month fiscal credit salary. So automatically we are satisfied here, because suppose if one fixation is there, one earning we are doing from the private sector, small or big, whatever we are earning, we have tried to administered on 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. So automatically maximum, that means 70% are 30,000 per month below earner. So automatically if 1 rupees 2 rupees regularly is coming, one backup is coming, on self-employment government job is there, and we have the connectivity of the government on the direct level with the chief minister and prime minister, as their indirect representative is sitting in the organized self-employment ministry and budget, and and in the account section when we are joining per month, when we are taking fiscal credit salary, before that one day is fixed. On that the organized self-employment ministry manager, we have to take a meeting face to face, either on Zoom, Google Meet, or any types of technological, wherever we are working, Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, all over India, or in village, we are directly in touch with that person, and we are telling we are working here this month, I am here, and on that basis that account manager is signaturing. Then we are talking to the political manager of the ruling party of the state and opposition political manager, that yes, 16.66% we have contributed and we are working and we are providing you self-employment government job to all, and work is optional here, see here. And similarly on the central level also same thing, on the same office, the central accountant who will be signaturing for us, he is asking where we are on that day, where you are working, and on that basis we are telling, and then political manager of the ruling party and the opposition political manager is talking to us that we are winning. Look here, 16.66 into 6 unborn rays are working in us, and by the constitutional validity we are taking the blessing of that through the Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism and the documentarism. So we have to understand that we are completely living in that, in this system, and we are self-employment government job becoming. So we are declaring it as Shiv Shakti Rashtrapati Bhavan, Welfare Power Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vishnu Lakshmi Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Ram Sita Krishna Radha Rashtrapati Bhavan, Amita Vilasa Rashtrapati Bhavan, Brahma Saraswati Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Law Education Chaturanand and Veena Pustak Dharani Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the non-veto husband Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then each united Varshkrit God and God Rashtrapati Bhavan, and that is government Rashtrapati Bhavan. And then we are signaturing, and we are self-disciplining by the court martial range, because when we are signaturing when we are seeing the document, we are believing that we are the sons and daughter, and automatically we are adopting this. What we lacked in the Gandhism was that we did not signature. Only organized members signatured, and the salary was made. But now we are making it system that we 130 crore population will be signature, and then we will document wise we will signature on the 6th level, that 6 sons and daughters we are, and then we are taking. Those who are not signaturing, we are not we will not take salary, because if we are not signatory, why we will take salary? Because we are not understanding this concept, because we have to follow rules and regulations also, because in this court martial connection has also been that, because over emphasizing suppose we are doing, then automatically court martial concern, because I have tried to make, suppose one sovereignty problem is of 6 unborn, so this we have to understand, this can be done through the court martial range. Automatically we can object on the court martial range that this verdict we are not able to understand automatically by this system in the document method, because 120 crore Aadhaar card is in front, and automatically we are seeing we all are family members, and as I am putting the 12 Jyotirmandir document in front in 672 it is becoming, and then I am putting the 30,000 per month above, and then I am putting the MPs 750 MPs in front, and then 4,500 MLAs. Then I am putting 750 into 6 national family, because 6 industrial 6 national families are there: industrial family, educational or Hindu scientist or Hindu lawyers or Hindu editor family. Aadhaar card document is there. Then Hindu woman family is there. Then Hindu Varshkrit ISBN family is there, and then government family is there. Then 6 unborn, 750 4,500 families Aadhaar card, and then in the Vidhan Sabha list 4,500 MLAs into 6 automatically on the state level. These families, political families, then industrial family on the state level, and then educational Hindu editor, Hindu scientist, and Hindu lawyers family, and then Hindu woman family, and then Hindu truth and non-violence family, and then Hindu government family, state government like public service commission families automatically are coming in that, and on that basis state and national family is formed. 72 members are there, and then I am putting the 30,000 per month above earner, and after that we all organize self-employed earner who are earning in the private sector 30,000 per month below. So automatically 130 crore is absorbed in that, and putting the document in front of the republic, elected republic, and control is in the hand of prime minister and opposition leader state wise and the central wide. In this Amiteshwarism, what benefit we are getting? We are getting double salary, one salary from the government side throughout life. When we are completing our 18 years expedition, at 18 year pension is set, suppose 1 rupees, 2 rupees, then 32 years, 14 years we are working, then at 32 we are getting pension, and that is attached 18 and 32. Then 46 year, up to from 32 46 we are working 14 years, and then we are getting the pension. So 18 years, 32 years, 46 year pension, suppose 1 rupees pension, 2 rupees pension, and 3 rupees. So 5-6 rupees pension it becoming, and then at the 58 year we are working for 12 years, because we are ending with the Babadham. Automatically at the 58 year we are retiring, and both wife husband is also retiring, and male and female both are retiring. Automatically we are able to manage these affairs in the easy manner, and we will try to control on 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. And I have also made the bridge in 2021 between the organized self-employment earner, that is 6 unborn family, 30,000 per month below and 30,000 per month above, by the organized employed finance commission. So automatically by this bridge promotion will be done between them, because the cream of the workers will be automatically taken, because we will be connected in the ministry, because the ministry is having 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan rays, Kailash Dham rays, Vaikunth Dham rays, Saddham rays, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham rays, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, and we will call it 6 Rashtrapati Shiv Parvati, that is Welfare Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Ram Sita, that is Krishna Radha, that is Amit Avalada Rashtrapati Bhavan, then Brahma Saraswati Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Chaturanand, Veena Pustak Dharani, that is Law Education Rashtrapati Bhavan, then Trinetra and non-veto husband Shiva, that is Family and non-veto welfare Rashtrapati Bhavan, then the Varshkrit Rashtrapati, the Hindu each united god and goddess Rashtrapati Bhavan, and then government Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is connected with this because they are the sons from 20 into 5. First 100% to Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham and the Varshkrit Dham, and then I have taken 20 into 5, and then I have tried to take the, because documents will be 120 crore to 130 crore just now we are, and then into 4, 120 into 4, how much it is? It is around about 500 to 600 crore. So 600 crore documents automatically government sons and daughters. So on that basis 16.66 I have tried to make equally 16.66 into 6 Amiteshwarvad, and on the document basis we are setting this so that we can work on the level, on the materialistic level, because on the materialistic level what is required? Fiscal credit salary is required, but it is difficult. So by the document method, and I have tried to validate, because before when the politicians were working it was taking 30 years 40 years, then MP and MLA were winning because it take times to understand each other. Now one political manager is being made automatically, because automatically when we are validating, like the MPs and MLAs are working, so the work is being validated because by the signature of the political president, automatically those who are working in any political party under flag, automatically we all follow the political party president view, because his view is very important, because he is the founding member of that political party, and ideology is move on that because he is connected with the people. So on that basis automatically if he is telling, that means first political party is telling, so on that basis if we are signaturing, so automatically the political earning validity is coming, because we are trying to create a self-employment government job system on the basis of our different political opinion, as the symbol is showing, the Trishul vermilion mark, Chakra vermilion mark, Kamandal vermilion mark, Trinetra vermilion mark, book vermilion mark, and the government stamp vermilion. So what does it signifies? Our opinion is different, and Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united government Dham. Rays are coming from the different truth and non-violence zones, like Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. So in that circumstances, what is happening? We are reaching at the point Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973607117, in number 126, and then we are signaturing, and also we are seeing court martial range, so that if we try to disobey, we can be court martial also automatically. On that basis we are transferring the sovereignty, organized democratic sovereignty, to the Chief Minister and Prime Minister, political party president, and automatically Amiteshwar Jhaism, Amit Kumar Jhaism. What we lacked in Gandhiism was the signature, because if we have signature and if we started 1 paise 1 rupees at that time, we would have no problem, because we would have put self-earning self-work finance commission, self-earning self-work certain cash certain fiscal credit finance commission. On that basis 1 paise of 1947 would have become 11 rupees or 20 rupees up till now. But what we did not did, because our thinking was different. At that time the validity system was there, but now the vote bank is also required, and that vote bank can come when we are giving organized setup. Organized setup can always come on the organized document, because document will be there. Document is there from our forefathers sites, because all over India 1175 crore mandir is there. So on that basis 12 mandir I have tried to make, so that we can make a firm system on which we can move the organized self-employed ministry and budget documents on the national unity documents, so that the national feeling should also remain, because on that basis we can move our organized path of the Prime Minister path and Chief Minister path. And I have tried to make sub Rashtrapati Bhavan, because all our generation can, because Shiv, so Shiv Rashtrapati, Shiv 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, sub Rashtrapati Bhavan from the Shiv Parvati, and Parvati power 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. Automatically all women 16.66% women is put in Parvati Rashtrapati Bhavan, then and 16.66% male would be in the Shiv Parvati Bhavan. Automatically same Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amita Valasa, then Brahma Saraswati Law Education, Adi Shakti Jagdamba and her non-veto husband Durga and non-veto Shiva, and each united Varshkrit government and time husband, time wife. So on this basis 4 sub Rashtrapati we will make. So now I am concluding with in the Shardapur Lohana Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, in room number 126 as our Labour Party of India Feast of the Hand conclude the 57th session with room number 1, the Trishul and Vermilion mark, that is Shiv Puran, that is 12 shadow document and 175 crore shadow document of Shiv Parvati Mandir. And the room number 2, the Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran, and Chakra Vermilion mark, Pushpanjali Aarti, Sanskrit slogan in chanting. Then room number 3, Brahma Saraswati Kamandal and the Vermilion mark signifying law education, and 12 Hindu Sanatan Dharma book, and 12 materialistic book of Padam Shri and Bharat Ratna and Hindu Nobel Prize winner, and 175 crore ISBN all subject book. And room number 4, Adi Shakti Trinetra and Vermilion Durga Saptati Devi Bhagavad, 12 Jyotir Mandir and 175 crore Jyotir Mandir Vermilion mark. And then Varshkrit, Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit and North South East West Central India Varshkrit, 12 Jyotir ISBN certificate and 175 ISBN certificate. Pushpanjali Aarti Sanskrit slogan. And then room number 6, the government time husband time, the 31st August 1946 British government document and the ordinance of the Independence Act, and then 15 members committee or interim government committee, and then 299 constitution member, and then up till now the shadow documents of the MPs and MLA with united that we should make organized self-employment ministry, and we should start signaturing by the signature document economy 120 crore, and we should become self-employed government job servant and start taking per month fiscal credit salary with self-earning silver, certain cash, certain fiscal credit finance commission, and bridge between the finance commission and self-earning silver finance commission, 30,000 per month above, 30,000 per month below, and we should become self-employed government job servant. Thank you.